konnichiwa. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. For today's recipe, I'm gonna share with you is one of the osechi dishes here in Japan. In New Year's Day, it is always prepared the chikuseni or the simmered chicken and vegetables. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get started! our recipe today. Try to make chikuseni or simmered chicken and vegetables. It is really a healthy recipe. And thank you for watching. See you on my next videos. Mata ne! See you again guys on my next videos. Thank you always for the support.